What if I told you that right now, people are making money online using AI, without showing their face, without recording their voice, and without any professional skills? But here's the real question. Is AI income real, or is it just another scam? In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI YouTube automation works, whether AI income is real or fake, a beginner-friendly freelancing roadmap, how to create script, voice, thumbnail, and video using AI, and the most profitable AI jobs in 2026. This is AI Insider US. Let's begin. Part 1. What is AI YouTube automation? AI YouTube automation means you don't show your face, you don't record your voice, you don't edit videos manually. AI does everything, writes the script, generates human-like voice, creates visuals, designs, thumbnails. Your job is simple: upload consistently and grow the channel. This is called a faceless YouTube channel. Part 2. Can you really make money with AI? Truth versus scam. Let's be honest. Yes, people are making real money. No, it's not instant AI income is real if you treat it like a business. It becomes a scam when you copy content, you expect overnight money, you don't stay consistent. Most successful creators take 3 to 6 months to see results. Part 3. Beginner. AI Freelancing Roadmap. Step 1. Start with 0 skills. You only need basic AI prompting, simple editing knowledge, content research. Step 2. Learn in this order: AI script writing, AI voice generation, AI video creation, thumbnail design. Step 3. Platforms to earn: Fiverr, Upwork. Freelancer services you can sell: AI YouTube automation, AI short-form videos, AI content creation. Part 4. How to create script, voice, thumbnail, and video using AI script. AI tools can generate viral scripts in minutes. Voice AI voices now sound 90% human, perfect for USA audience. Video AI tools create cinematic visuals automatically. Thumbnail AI plus Canva equals high-CTR thumbnails. What takes humans 5 hours, AI can do in 15 minutes. Part 5. Most profitable AI jobs in 2026. Top AI income opportunities: AI YouTube automation, AI short-form content creator, AI scriptwriter, AI thumbnail designer, AI prompt engineer, AI content strategist, AI automation agency. Potential income: $500 to $5,000 plus per month, depending on skills and consistency. AI is not replacing people. People who use AI are replacing those who don't. If you start today, 6 months from now, your life can look very different. Subscribe to AI Insider US because the future is already here, and it belongs to those who prepare.